everybody. Tango's speech today is the C6 project. C6 project is vocal variety. Now, in vocal variety, yes, you use your voice to be able to emphasize on the words you're using, to make people know what is the main point in the sentence. That is what the C6 project is about. Now, today Tango brought us the topic of anger. We all get angry sometime along the line. We know the feeling. Thus, Tango brought us her experience in anger, such as people cutting in the line at McDonald's, such as you see people flashing around at the dormitories. Well, Tango, today you did a really good job. Today you brought us different kind of vocal varieties, from soft to high pitch, to low voice, to angry voices, to soft kind voices, and even to a voice that we are all stunned by, your female voice. That was impressive. But as an evaluator, I said to give you a few points. Now, when you're actually on the stage, when you go strong, stay strong, don't drift off. So just when you were saying about people cutting the line, haven't your mother taught you that don't be impolite, but be strong? Just show that you are your confidence. And also your body language. Don't just stand in the center and talk to everybody. Walk around and emphasize your voice, like Mike or Peter. It keeps the audiences awake and will bring your speech more entertainment. Well, we know the speech was well done. We had an introduction, body, and conclusion was all well paced. So I'm looking forward to your C7 speech. Back to P.
Okay, thank you, evaluators. So, who's Dr. Marion today? Tell us again.